If you live in Colorado, especially Fort Collins, and you have a garden, it starts to rain, you see one little hail ball. Every time I start to get nervous because last year our garden was just demolished by the June 24th hailstorm that came through. Afterwards, it looked like a horrible, evil beast had come through and eaten my plants. They were just shredded. It looked like something with claws had taken to them. It was horrifying. So I've got my system ready to go in case it starts hailing. But on the bright side, all this moisture is wonderful for it. Nothing major happened this time. There was some hail that probably wouldn't have damaged my plants, but I got them covered. It's pretty dirty business putting putting those up in the rain and then pulling them down after because I want the rain to hit it. But yeah, contingent on me being here to put that up when the hail hits, and maybe some other factors, it could work. I just want my fresh garden tomatoes, you know? Yeah. Subscribe?